Alright YouTubers, D-Doc here. Saturday morning, about 5:30 in the morning on February 23rd. Overnight, perhaps you can see behind me in the road, it's lit up by the school lights and the street lamps, that we had a ice storm move through, freezing sleet. Let's go over and take a look at what we got going on. A little later on today here in central western Iowa, we've got a blizzard forecast. Supposed to get anywhere from 6 to 10 inches of snow. And while that's not a whole lot of snow, the winds are supposed to pick up 35-40 miles per hour or so. And that's going to give us the blizzard effect. What's going to compound the issue is that starting last night, we had that freezing rain. And as you can see on the road, everything's just a glisten of smooth, slick ice. Now it's only about 1/8 of an inch thick, but it's hard ice. That's some pretty slick stuff. Travel is not advised in this general area or for the whole area where the blizzard is forecast and any parts north. And you can see why. This is going to be nasty. It's going to be slick. I predict tow truck drivers are going to be busy. Hopefully not. Hopefully people will stay off the roads. But we all understand that some people have to work. Some people have to get in and go to work. And I sure hope that they do it safely and don't encounter any problems, because it sure would be nasty for tow truck operators too. So there we have it, the calm before the storm. Fortunately, I have nothing to do for today or tomorrow, being as how this is weekend. I'm just going to sit at home here in central western Iowa, watch YouTube videos, and ride out the storm. Well, I want to thank you all for commenting, viewing. Wherever you are, stay safe and have a good weekend.